Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers.
Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the World Cup. Abana 1, South Korea 0. I'm sure in pie. Yoli some tum tum.
Very
I'm Randy Rodmani.
Ah, yizo.
Yo. Uzizwa kanjani Rodmani?
Endoda
Mzansi.
ngiyakubona.
Sure Rodmani.
So shintshe netches.
Hey. Bashaya ngisophe hlanyana.
Ah, so shintshe netches.
Bathe you are my amigo.
Uyabona nami senginophapha ekhanda.
Sure Rodmani.
Look, besiringile.
Yeah, before you.
Besikhulumile.
Sure.
What we wanted was this thing, nothing else.
Yes.
A straight 1-0.
Yeah.
Singalibele sixoxe. Sithatha 3 points.
Sure Rodmani.
Siyavaya.
Simple.
Sinunini bathi the information that is circulating now kuthiwa siya LA.
Yeah.
Siyodlala neCanada.
Yeah.
Nayo nothing major.
What was Canada?
Yini Canada ndoda. Yini Canada ndoda. Mara masibuye ku Pros.
Sure Rodmani.
Masimgaya.
I
Credit to Hugo Pros
Sure.
Prime. I thought I was very frustrated.
Yes.
Uthapelo.
Yeah.
Kanti uyayazi ujita.
Yes.
Ukuthi uzomgcina makamgcina wasigaya something.
Yes, ukuthi une goal ku.
Ubeka yazi.
Yes.
Let's also give credit to Intwana.
Yeah.
Urele.
Iyo
He
bemika.
has shown.
Yeah, there is all.
Ukuthi lento besiringa ngaye.
Sure.
Ukuthi makamgaya chance.
Yeah.
It has paid.
Yeah, he's a star.
We're moving.
Sure.
We're moving forward.
Going forward, Rodman, Without a doubt.
Thirdly,
Sure.
the reception was very crude.
Yeah, from Mexico, Rodman.
Basiphethe kahle abantu base-Mexico.
Too much.
Simnandi.
Sure.
Yonke into ihlangene.
Top.
Yeah!
Akanye man of the match, Rodman.
Without a doubt.
Yes.
Even though bengithi mina mabamdonsa. Umaseko masimgaya.
Udlalile ne Rodman.
Masimgaya because umaseko into abakayenza wena jita.
Sure, Rodman.
He was frustrating that defense.
Yes.
Bekangena kuma spaces ne.
Yes.
He showed hunger.
Yeah, he did the whole game.
We were frustrated indaba zama goal, but I guess football will surprise you every day.
Yeah, always.
Masimgaya untwana man of the match.
Yeah, equality.
Then okwamanje
Yeah.
sesiyekele ku Minister of Action.
Yes.
The Honorable Gaten Mackenzie sibona ukuthi usenze la.
Yeah.
It's party time.
Yeah.
Khona la eMonterey.
Where's the after party?
eMexico.
Where's the after party?
Khona.
Somewhere.
Jovicho.
So ifuna siyithole.
Jovicho.
Thank you, Rodman.